Okay guys, my name is Lens and I want you to join the Lens Empire by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also smash the like button. I'm Lens.
Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do.
Today we are going to replace this Samsung digitizer. As you can see that it is cracked up. So we are gonna do so today. I'm going to remove the digitizer and remove it, but in doing so we need to remove the whole thing. In doing so we need to take apart the entire Samsung motherboard screen digitizer out of the back case. So we're gonna do so. We're gonna do so by lifting you will need to heat the edges around due to the adhesive that is sticking the digitizer down. Also, you want to be careful not to damage anything on the inside. So yeah, back at it. That was tight. So this is it. We I'm going to do the screen replacement, digitizer replacement for the Samsung Galaxy S3 tab. Gonna do, here's a ribbon here. Gonna do a replacement for this, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna remove the digitizer. Just remove the old adhesive tape that is around it. If it happens that you need to use your heat gun to take apart the digitizer, you can do so. I'm gonna just remove this. We'll most likely need the heat gun now to remove the glue that is underneath, and just pass the heat gun over this area. Well, I have the heat gun in the back, so I need to take the Samsung tab in the back and heat these parts. That's how we do it. Let's hope that this do. So this is the idea how we're gonna go about removing this digitizer. You can use the heat gun as you go to try and take off the digitizer as we are stuck here. So here we are. We just removed this digitizer from the Samsung tab, and I would advise you to use a heat gun if you find you're experiencing difficulty in removing the digitizer. These adhesive stickers are very strong at times, so I would advise you to do so. Use a heat gun, okay? Okay, here we have the digitizer here, and before I insert the digitizer, I want to ensure that it is working before applying it. So that's what we're gonna do here. We are gonna go ahead and connect the digitizer. We're gonna run a test. So here we can see, as I said, as you can see, the battery is low, and we are ensuring that everything is working here before we apply the screen. It's very important to do so before sticking down the adhesive at the back of the digitizer on the screen. So just ensure that everything is working. The battery is at 8%, so now we are going to just shut down. We're going to shut down. And now we just shut down. We are going to we are going to apply the adhesive on the frame of the screen. we need to insert our button as well right here. So that being said, we need to remove the outside covering from the adhesive. We need to ensure this is in, the button is in. We're getting a little bit of feedback from the plastic at the front there. So our button is in. So all we have to do here is to perfectly align this on top of the tab, and this is what we're gonna do. Let me just get rid of this thing. It's getting in our way. Let's go ahead and do another test. So everything is working perfectly, including this button that we just replaced. We're gonna power off device, shut down. So what we're gonna clip back the back piece into the back cover. So here we are, guys, and that is how you replace your digitizer for Samsung tab. And this version is the T113.